Yeah, today we'll start with trigonometric functions of multiple and submultiple angles. Okay, trigonometric functions of multiple and submultiple angles. So first we will find out multiple angles. Multiple angles. Okay. That is, we have here prove that. We'll do it as a problem and it is a formula also. Prove that sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a is equal to sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Now how to do this? Okay. Sometimes they may ask as a problem for you. Prove that sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. So I am going to say here now, okay, answer I will say here. We know that sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b is what? Compound angle formula last class we have learned. Sin of a plus b is what? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, we have learned this. Now what I will do? I will say put b is equal to a in above formula. Okay, put b is equal to a because I got here 2a plus a I will get 2a na? So that is sin of a plus b is equal to sin a. Wherever b is there, we are putting a cos a sin a. So what happens here? A plus a is sin of 2a. Sin a cos a plus cos a sin a is what? 2 times sin a cos a na? That is what we are getting from formula. Okay, this is the formula, you should know it. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. So that way we have cos 2a also. We will write down. Prove that cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square. Second one, prove that cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square. How it will come? Answer. We know that cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b is what? Cos a cos b. If here plus is there, as well minus will come. Minus sin a sin b. Okay. Now I will say again, put b is equal to a. Put b is equal to a in above formula. Okay. In above formula. That is what we will get. Wherever b is there, we put a. That is cos of a plus a is equal to cos a into cos a. Wherever b is there, I am putting a minus sin a into sin a. Okay. Now what happens here? Cos of a plus a is cos 2a is equal to cos a into cos a is cos square a minus sin a into sin a is sin square. That is the formula we have here. Okay. So from here again I will get 2-3 formulas. That also I will write with reference to this. Now see here, cos 2a is in terms of cos and sin. Next formula I will write in terms of only sin. Afterwards again next formula I will write only in terms of cos. Okay. Now I will say or cos 2a is equal to cos square a, what is it? 1 minus sin square a. We have learned right the first chapter identities. Cos square a is 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a. So what I get here? Cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, this is one formula. Cos 2a is 1 minus 2 times sin square a. From this, what I will do, I will get another formula. This will not use frequently. I will say now minus 2 sin square will come here. It will jump here. It will become plus. Is equal to 1. This plus will come this way. It will become minus. Okay. So therefore, sin square is what? 1 upon 2 into bracket 1 minus cos 2. This is one formula. Sin square is 1 upon 2, 1 minus cos 2. Got it? So same way again I say R. From here I will start from this one. Okay? From here we have got this one. Now from here I get this one. Cos 2a is equal to. Now I have written this in terms of sin. I will make this one as it is. Cos square a minus this sin square I have written as 1 minus cos square in bracket. Why in bracket? Because minus sin. So what happens? Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus 1 minus minus plus. So what happens here? 2 cos square. 2 cos square a minus 1. That minus 1 I will get this side. It will become 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square. Therefore, cos square a is what? 1 by 2 into bracket 1 plus cos 2. That is what we got another one. So from one is from this, one is from this, the starting point. It is 1 by 2. Okay, this formula in integration also it comes. In integration, they'll ask the question, integrate sin square x. That time we are going to use this formula. Because we don't have formula for integration of sin square x. In integration, if you don't have direct formula, you have to write the trigonometry formula and then get the answer. Got it? So from this, I went to derive this. I have derived here. After that, I derived one more here. From here again, I derived one more. Same way here, one more. This one, and from there, this one. Okay. Next, then we have sin 2a is over, cos 2a is over, tan 2a. Okay, you can go through it. I will have to go. Multiple formula. Afterwards, we are going to do submultiple. All formulas are linked to one another. Now, third one. Prove that tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Okay. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. How it will come, I will show you. So answer. We know that tan of a plus b. What is tan of a plus b? Last class we have learned. Tan a plus tan b whole thing divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, put b is equal to a. Put b is equal to a in above formula. Put b is equal to a in above formula. tan A plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A into tan A. Okay, tan of A plus A is tan 2A. Tan A plus tan A is 2 times tan A whole thing divided by 1 minus tan square A. That is the answer. So this is the formula you have to remember. Tan 2 is 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A. Okay. Now we will express sin 3A cos 3A tan 3A. Okay, next. Fourth one. Prove that sin 3A is 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube. This also they will ask it as a problem 5 marks. Prove that sin 3A is 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Now how to prove I will show you. Okay. So this answer. Again I say we know that. Okay. Sin of A plus B. What is sin of A plus B? Sin of A plus B is sin A cos B. Sin of A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay. I will say now put B is equal to 2A because A plus 2A will get 3A na. Put B is equal to 2A in above formula. That is sin of A plus 2A. Wherever B is there, you put 2A. Sin A. Cos B will be written as cos 2A. Cos A as it is. Sin B will be written as sin 2A. Okay. Next I will make it here. I will run this. Fine. I will continue. Now sin of A plus 2A sin 3A is equal to sin A as it is. Okay. Now cos 2A. Now in the formula I want everything sin. Okay. That's why this cos 2A. Just now I have written this side. I just have rubbed it. And last this one I have derived. Cos 2A is what? Cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. But I don't want cos square A. I want in terms of sin only. So cos 2A is cos square A minus sin square A. Then what you do? Cos square A you write it as 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A. It will become 1 minus 2 sin square. That is what I have. 1 minus 2 sin square. Okay. Then plus cos A as it is. Plus cos A as it is. Now sin 2A what I do? I write 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A. Next step. Sin A into 1 sin A minus sin A into minus 2 sin square A minus 2 sin cube A plus 2 sin A cos A into cos A is cos square A. Okay. Sin 3A is equal to sin A minus 2 sin cube A plus 2 sin A into 1 minus sin square A. Okay. Now next sin 3A is sin A minus 2 sin cube A plus 2 sin A into 1 is 2 sin A minus 2 sin cube A. Okay. So what will happen here? Now here sin A plus 2 sin A is 3 times sin A minus 2 sin cube A minus 2 sin cube A is minus 4 sin cube A. That is all. The answer. This is what it is true. What I did, in place of cos 2a, I have written 1 minus 2 sin square. Then in place of sin 2a, I have written 2 sin a cos a. Then afterwards, if I multiply 2 sin a cos a into cos a is cos square a. And this side, this and this I have multiplied. Then again I have rewritten. Again this cos square is remaining. I want an answer in sin. So cos square I have written 1 minus sin square. Okay, that is multiplied. That is how we get the answer. Now same way we are going to derive rule that cos 3a. So a fifth one. Prove that cos 3a. Prove that cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay? Again an answer. We know that cos of a plus b is what? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay? Again I say for b is equal to 2a in above equation or in above formula. Okay? That is cos of a plus b is there, so 2a. Cos a, again cos b is there, cos 2a minus sin a sin 2a. This will become what? Cos 3a is equal to, now cos a as it is. Now in place of cos 2a, just now I written cos 2a as 1 minus 2 sin square a, because I wanted in sin, but here I want in terms of cos because both are cos. So cos 2a is what? Main formula is cos square a minus sin square a. Okay, I want in terms of cos. Then what will happen? Cos square a as it is minus that sin square a will become 1 minus cos square a. If I open that bracket, minus 1 plus cos square a, so it will become 2 cos square a minus 1. So this will be 2 cos square a minus 1 minus sin a as it is. Again the sin 2a is written as 2 sin a cos a. Next, that is 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a I write first, then sin a into sin a is sin square. Okay, again same way I am coming 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a. Again I don't want this sin square, I want in terms of cos. Sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a. Okay, what will happen? 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a into 1 is minus 2 cos a, minus into minus plus 2 cos cube a. Okay, so finally therefore cos 3a is what? Therefore cos 3a is what? 2 cos cube a plus 2 cos cube a is 4 cos cube a. 4 cos cube minus cos a minus 2 cos a is 3 cos cube. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, this way fifth formula is derived. Now sixth one is tan 3. Okay, let's go through it. Let's go through it and afterwards I'll show you. Okay. Next one is tan 3a formula. Tan 3a. Sixth one. Prove that tan 3a is 3 tan a minus tan cube a. 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay, answer. We know that what it is, tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b is what? Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, again I want here 3a means I put b is equal to 2a. Put b is equal to 2a in above formula. Okay, that is tan of a plus 2a is equal to tan a plus in place of b tan 2a divided by 1 minus tan a into tan 2a. Okay, so now this will become tan 3a. So tan a plus tan 2a we can't add it. Okay, I will write a tan a on this side. Now here tan 2a I use the previous formula, third formula. After defining sin 2a cos 2a I define tan 2a. Tan 2a is what? In square bracket I write 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. This formula I write 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Whole thing divided by 1 minus tan a. Again here tan 2 is the I write this formula 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Okay, now I will solve the numerator first, then I will solve the denominator. Now what happens here? Here LCM is this, I will cross multiply tan a into 1 minus tan square a plus 2 tan a. Okay, whole thing divided by 1 minus tan square a. Whole thing divided by again. Here also 1 minus tan a into 2 tan a will become 2 tan square a. Here LCM is this will get cross multiplied here. 1 minus tan square a into 1 minus tan a into 2 tan a is what? 2 tan square a. Okay, whole thing divided by 1 minus tan square a. I told you this is the LCM here. So this and this will go. So I am left with what now? Here, tan a into 1 is tan a minus tan a into tan square is tan cube a. Okay, plus 2 tan. Whole thing divided by. Now here, 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan square will become 1 minus 3 tan square. 1 minus 3 tan square. Therefore, tan 3a is what? Tan a plus 2 tan a is 3 tan a minus tan cube a. Whole thing divided by 1 minus 3 tan square. Done. That is the answer. So that's all, tan 3. Afterwards we have again formula saying express sin 2a in terms of tan a and cos 2a in terms of tan. That also we will do. Then we will go to some multiple angles. Okay. Go through it. to express sin 2a and cos 2a. To express sin 2a and cos 2a in terms of tan. In terms of tan A. In terms of tan means sin 2a answer you know. Sin 2a is what? Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. It was in terms of sin and cos a. But now he wants the answer of sin 2a in terms of tan. How that we will get it, we will see. Okay. Now first one, I'll say okay, we'll write it as prove that only. Prove that sin 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square. So how we will get that, we will see. Okay. Now answer. We know that sin 2a is 2 sin cos a. Okay, we know that sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. Okay, I'll say here divided by 1. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. I'm saying divided by 1. It is same only, not changing. 2 sin a cos a divided by 1. Okay, next what I'm doing? 1, as we are dealing in sin and cos, we have a Pythagorean relation. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. I will take that. I will write next step. 2 sin a cos a divided by, in place of 1 I write sin square a plus cos square a. Okay, instead of that we will write cos square a minus sin square a, 1 and the same, because I wanted 1 to come. What I do, I will say here, instead of writing sin square a plus cos square a, I write it as cos square a plus sin square, because in the denominator I want tan square a to come, and here 1 to come. Next step what I will do is 2 sin a cos a divided by, in this I take out cos square a common. If I take cos square a common, it will become 1 plus sin square a divided by cos square a. Here cos square a into 1 is cos square a plus cos square a into sin square a upon cos square a. Cos square a cancels sin square a. So this I have written in this one. I have taken cos square a common. 1 will come. That's why here this element will get divided by this. So what happens here is equal to 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a divided by cos square a into bracket 1 plus sin upon cos is tan, since it is square it will become tan square a. So next cos a, this cos a will go. Okay, now 2 as it is, sin a upon cos a is what? Tan. That is what is got in the numerator. Here 2 as it is, sin a 1 cos square a upon 1 cos square a is remaining here. Sin a upon cos a is tan divided by this. That is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. This is how we get it. One plus tan square a. Okay, next we'll write express sin 2a in terms of tan a, or next is cos 2. Second problem is. Okay, I'll write it here. Next second option. Prove that cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square. 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus cos tan square A. Okay. Now again answer. We know that cos 2A, what was the first formula? Cos square A minus sin square A. Again I will say divided by 1. Cos square A minus sin square A divided by 1 is cos square A minus sin square A. Next again same like this one, I will write it as cos square A plus sin square A. One is what? Cos square A plus sin square. Next, cos square A I take it common. 1 minus sin square A divided by cos square A. Whole thing divided. Next, cos square A is common into bracket 1 plus sin square A divided by cos square A. This and this will get cancelled. 1 minus sin square by cos square is tan square divided by 1 plus sin square by cos square is tan square. That is what this formula is. This is how it is. Okay. Now after this we will go to submultiple angles. Again there are also formula, same formulas are written. Then there is the exercise. Then that finishes this chapter. After that again you have transformation formulas. Transformation of sum to product or product to sum, vice versa. That is next chapter. After that you have heights and distance. After that the second unit is over. Next I will write submultiple angles. First one is this. Prove that sin A. In previous multiple angle I have first one. Prove that sin 2A. Sin 2A was what? 2 sin A cos A. Na? So here they want to prove that sin A in the same line 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. Alright. I am repeating again. See. In multiple angle, first formula I said prove that sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Now in submultiple angle I am saying first formula prove that only sin A, not 2A, sin A. So here 2 is not there, then we assume that 2 is coming over here. Okay, sin A is 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. How this has come, we will see. Okay, answer. So all formulas are linked to one by one. So that's why from beginning if you study the formulas, trigonometry is very easy. Otherwise you will make things difficult for yourself. Okay. We know that sin 2A is what? Sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A. Okay. Now I say report. A is equal to A by 2. Put A is equal to A by 2 in above formula. Okay, that is sine 2. A is what? A by 2. Cancels. We are getting sine. Here 2. A is what? A by 2. Cos. A is what? A by 2. So 2 is cancelling here. Therefore, sine A is 2 sine A by 2 into cos A by 2. Same way for second one, cos 2a. Previous chapter, sorry, that is previous submultiple as cos 2a. It was cos square a minus sin square a. Now here it will be only cos a. So I will write that formula. Prove that only cos a is what? It is cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. So this is the main formula in terms of cos and sin. Next formula will be deriving in terms of only sin. Again next only in terms of cos. That way again I will get different formulas. That is what I have shown in the submultiple. Prove that cos a is equal to cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. How to prove it? Answer. We know that what is that? Cos 2a. We know that cos 2a is what? Cos square a minus sin square. Fine. Now I will say put a is equal to a by 2 in above formula. Put a is equal to a by 2 in above formula. Okay. So now what will get? Cos, that is cos 2a 2 in place of a by 2 is equal to cos square a is what? A by 2 minus sin square a is what? A by 2. This 2 cancels. Therefore cos a is what? Cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. This is one formula. Okay, we say or. Again I will write 2, 3 formula. Now we are taking for submultiple. This cos is in terms of cos and sin. Next formula I will write only in terms of sin. Okay, cos a is equal to only in terms of sin. So cos square a by 2 with the help of the identity formula. What is that? Pythagorean relation. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So that way here cos square a by 2 is 1 minus sin square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. So what happens here? Cos a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. Okay, cos square a is 1 minus sin square a by 2 sin square a by 2. So minus minus and become this. So this is one formula for cos a is equal to 1 sin square a. From here I get one more. This I will get this side 2 sin square a by 2 is equal to 1. This plus will come here and become minus. Therefore I will say sin square a by 2 is 1 by 2 into bracket 1 minus cos. Okay, again I say r. So this is what we can write from here only. Now next I show you cos a. This I had written in terms of sin. Now I will write in terms of cos square. This cos square a by 2 I will keep it as it is. Minus this sin square a by 2 will be 1 minus cos square a by 2. So what happens here? Cos a is equal to cos square a by 2 minus 1 minus minus plus. So finally what happens here? Cos square, sorry, cos a is equal to cos square a plus cos square a is 2 times cos square a by 2 minus 1. This is one formula. How I got here? Now what I do? I will set this minus on this side. It will become plus 2 cos square a by 2. Therefore, only cos square a by 2 is what? 1 by 2 into bracket 1 plus cos. So only sin square a by 2 is what? 1 minus cos. Cos square a is plus. That's all. Only the sign changes. So this is how we are getting cos square a by 2s plus into bracket 1 plus cos. 1 plus cos. Same way what I had done previously. For some multiple angles, how I have shown up and done the same thing. Okay. Now we will write only tan A. Do that third one. Okay, you can go through it. Then I will. Now only tan. Third one. Prove that tan A. I had written in some multiple what? Prove that third one tan 2A na? Tan 2A was what? 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. So now only tan A will be what? 2 tan A by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square A by 2. Okay? 2 tan A by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square A by 2. How it will come? Answer. We know that tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A. Okay? Is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square. Now I will say put A is equal to A by 2 in above formula. Okay, that is tan 2 into A is what? A by 2 is equal to 2 tan A by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square A by 2. 2 cancels. Therefore, tan A is what? 2 tan A by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square A by 2. This is the formula. Okay? That's all. So here A by 3 and all it is not there. Okay? Now we will do the exercise. I hope you have understood it. Now we will do the following identities one by one. So totally 6, 9, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 to 15 formulas I have done in this class. Okay. Now we will start the prove that the following. Okay. Next class we will solve the